Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Spotify like songs not showing. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Spotify. Okay. And here you need to update your Spotify application. Once you complete that step, you simply need to go into the settings and go into the app management and search in app list Spotify. So let me find Spotify here, and then you need to click on storage and cache. And the first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Once you've done that, you simply need to open your Spotify and go into your library, and here you can see that like songs are now showing. So this is the process by which you can fix like songs not showing on Spotify. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.